done swimming.
Yes.
Hi. Say hi to the people. 1, 2, 3.
Юрчику нравится брокколи. Юрчик, тебе нравится брокколи? Небольшое интервью. Нравится брокколи есть? Ну, как вкусно. Ты куда? Иди сюда. Не хочешь?
It's a friendly dog. It's friend. It's not biting mama. Look. But it's good you have instinct, baby. Wow.
А что не ел? Борща не ел?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little baby wants to play. Baby just woke up from his nap. We're gonna walk there to the coffee shop because they are still constructing, building a road here. There's a road construction going on. So cute. May hapon. I forgot. May hapon.
Пойдем, малыш. Пойдем. Пойдем.
Baby, look, I have new friends here. Asan yung mama?
О, Юрчик, друзья.
Look, mama has new friends. Mama have new friends, baby. Say hi.
Чего ты боишься? Чего боишься?
Scared.
Чего боишься, друзья? Друзья?
Hi.
Чего? Чего?
Asan yung mama?
Стесняешься? Стесняешься?
Say hi. What's your name, guys? My name's Yuri. Hi. Should we sit together? Your cheeks hairstyle like yours. Let's make your hairstyle like Papa.
Листочек. Листик.
He was like that, looking for me. Mama.
Flower. Цветы. Цветы, малыш. Fish?
He saw the fish. Do you remember the fish?
Fish. Хочешь рыбок посмотреть?
It's slippery. He wants to go down.
Не надо, малыш, не надо вниз.
I think he can go.
Тут нельзя плавать. Тут swim.
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 He wants to swim.
Здесь нельзя, малыш,
You
плавать.
wanna swim with the fish? Don't jump like that. Push, kuya. today, and your chick is already under the rain, playing there. Baby! You're not cold? He likes laying there, walking under the rain. It's his favorite. Come! Come to mama! I really like it. What is this? Ball. Go play. You go play there. You wanna play more? You like it? You like playing in the rain, baby? Let's go shower. Let's wash you. Let's wash you up. And you're gonna put on clothes, and Mama will prepare lunch, and you will eat. Yes? Here is warm water. See? Warm. Okay, done. We don't eat together because your chick was crying and I have to put him to sleep. Dimitri already done eating. How's your food? Yum?
Yeah.
Tima made me a Vietnamese coffee. It's so yummy. It's like real Vietnamese coffee. Yummy. Asiba will show you. But it's nice. The baby is still sleeping, guys. And it's still raining outside. Yummy chicken. Clapping. Whoa, Papa, so amazing. How to do that? Teach Yuri, please. Go ask Papa to teach you how to spin the ball. He's so amazed. He's clapping to you. He wants to jump. Our neighbor's dog went inside. Hey, come here. We have a cute visitor, guys. Let's check your chick's reaction to this. Baby, what's that? Smiling. What is that? Where? Where's the dog? It's yours now. It's your dog now. Yay! Your chick has a new dog. He has a puppy. Cute one. Very cute white puppy. Hey! Jason is looking for his dog. Huh? Baby, puppy? What's that? A puppy? Come, puppy, come. Come here, puppy. Go out.
No.
Say hi.
No.
No, he's scared. He's scared.
No?
No. What? It didn't do anything. It's a good puppy. Say hi to the puppy. Say hi. Say, puppy, go home. Let's bring you home, puppy. What's this?
Apple.
Yes, apple. Oh, that's a chicken. What is this?
Fish.
Yeah, fish. Very good. Fishing part. Bake me a cake as fast as. Look! Looks good. Banana muffins. Smells yummy, looks yummy. I don't understand the taste. Why it's salty?
Mommy. Spoil
You put nut sugar?
I think I didn't mix the baking soda good. It wasn't mixed well. Because some parts are salty and it tastes like baking soda. But this one is. But the other parts are yummy. Okay, epic fail. Maybe just that part is not yummy. It's actually good. You wanna try the banana bread? Try this piece. Yummy?
Good?
Good. Not sure. Tell me honestly.
Really?
You tasted. Can you taste the baking soda?
No?
No? I tasted baking soda. Maybe just some parts didn't mix well. Your chick likes it? You like it?
Yeah.
Look, your chick likes it. He wants more. You want more banana? Banana bread? More? Yes? My baby loves it. Baby, you want more? You want more, damn? I can give you more. Hot. Your chick wants one. Hot, baby.
Up.
Still hot.
Up.
Lesson learned, guys. I should mix the baking soda next time. I should mix it well because some part of the bread is doesn't taste good. It tastes like baking soda. Just some parts. Want more? But your chick likes it. More? Yummy? Look, he likes it. Dancing. I thought you don't like it. You love it? You want more?
I like. I told you I like.
Not yet, not yet.
Hi.
Hi. High five. Oh. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching our video. You wanna put on your socks? And please subscribe to our channel guys. And write a comment. And like our video. And you have a great day everyone. But you wanna play outside, baby? It's so nice today, look. Wow. Wow. Your socks. Alright, see you everyone on our next video. Bye bye.